Wait! What is happening to Tommy's nose?
It keeps getting longer.
Did Tommy tell a lie? Or is this magic? Let's find out.
It was a quiet evening. Tommy and Lily were visiting Grandma and Grandpa. The house felt warm and peaceful.
A bright fire burned in the fireplace. Grandma smiled and opened her big storybook.
Tommy and Lily sat close to Grandma. They loved listening to bedtime stories.
Tonight, I will tell you a very special story about honesty. Long ago, there was a little boy. He sometimes told lies. And suddenly, his nose began to grow. The boy felt afraid.
He knew lying always caused trouble.
His nose suddenly grew longer and longer. The boy looked very surprised. And every time he told a lie, his nose grew longer and longer. When he finally told the truth, his nose became normal again. And because he told a lie, his nose grew longer.
He covered his nose with both hands. He hoped nobody would see it.
So, my dears, always tell the truth.
Tommy listened carefully. He wondered if such magic could really happen.
And they lived happily ever after.
Soon Tommy and Lily became sleepy. Their eyes slowly closed. Grandma gently covered them with a warm blanket. Both children fell asleep. Tommy started to dream. Everything felt real.
In his dream, Tommy was at home in the kitchen. A toy fell onto the floor and broke into pieces.
Tommy, did you break the toy?
No, Mommy, it wasn't me.
The little lie left Tommy's mouth.
Are you sure, Tommy? Boing!
His nose suddenly became longer.
Tommy touched his nose. He could not believe his eyes.
He grabbed a pillow and hid his face. But his nose was too long.
Everyone could still see it.
Tommy ran into his bedroom. He felt scared and ashamed.
His mother gently followed him into the room. Tommy, did you tell me the truth? Tommy's eyes filled with tears. He felt sorry. He said,
I am sorry. I broke the toy.
"Thank you for telling the truth." Suddenly, his nose slowly became small again.
His mother hugged Tommy with love and kindness. Tommy suddenly opened his eyes. He was back at Grandma's house. He quickly touched his nose.
It was normal.
Tommy smiled with relief. It had only been a dream. Tommy promised to always tell the truth. A truthful heart is the greatest treasure.